Hi, would you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Michaela Garcia. I am a plant supervisor. I've been here for less than a year now. As a supervisor, I've been supervising for almost five months.
And what did you do when you first got here?
So when I first got here, I started off as a associate on the ironers. From there, I then advanced to the L sealers where you package the product. From there, I ended up moving up to a coordinator, helping the plant supervisor coordinate the product, the flow of the plant. From there, I then became a supervisor. So I've been supervising ever since.
So, what did you do before you came to Image First?
So before I came to Image First, my background was retail, customer service, and then from there I just needed a full-time job, and coming here I ended up falling in love with it, and I love doing what I do now.